Hello, in today's short information video, we'll be talking about ChatGPT for text summarization. So, text summarization is the process of considering a given piece of text into a shorter version while preserving its key information and meaning. There are two main approaches to text summarization, extractive and abstractive. Extractive summarization Extractivization involves identifying important sentences and phrases from the source text of assembling them from a summary. Here's how it's typically done. Parsing the text is initially proceeded to be removing unnecessary elements such as stop words, pronunciations, and special characters. These steps helps into streamlining the text for future analysis. Sentences scoring. Each sentence is assigned a score based on a certain criteria like word frequency, position, or importance of the words within the sentence. Sentences with higher scores are considered more important. Sentence selection. The sentences with the highest scores are selected and combined to create a summary. The selected sentences should be chosen and coherent to convey the main points of the text. And the abstractive summarization would be that involves generating a summary that may continue words or phrases that are not present in the original text. It aims to produce human-like summaries by understanding the meaning of the context of the text. The process generally involves these steps: processing, parsing, similar to extractive summarization. The text is proceeded to remove noise and unnecessary elements. Text understanding, natural language processing, or NLP techniques such as deep learning models like transformers are used to understand the text cinematics meaning, context, and relationships between words. Summary generation. Based on understanding of the text, the model generates a summary by composing sentences that convey on the information in the concise or coherent manner. The process involves language generation techniques that take it into account grammar, sentence structure, and readability. So, for example, I asked ChatGPT to write me a short story about a little dog. It wrote me a short story. You can ask by yourself, you can read the text. And I asked for a text summarization, and it gave me the short summary. It's a very, very short. You can ask for a longer or everything that you need. It's very basic and simple. It's worth noting that text summarization is in an active area of research, and different algorithms and techniques exist beyond the general framework I've described. The effectiveness of summarization methods can be varied depending on the complexity and nature of the text being summarized. So, I hope these explanations gives you your overview how text summarization is typically approached. If you have some specific text that you need, you can of course ask everything about ChatGPT. It can give you a longer text summarization, a shorter one. You can always chat with it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very short information video. If you need some other tutorials or informations, you can visit the channel or ask in the comments, and leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.